What's up, everybody? It's Brandon Green, owner of Gold Element Autoworks. I just want to give everyone an update that even though it's cold here in Cincinnati, Ohio, business doesn't stop. I still have cars coming in particular, Mercedes SL 500s and 55s coming in from out of town. I just finished up a coilover conversion job on one from Orlando, Florida. Just finished that up. He's picking it up tomorrow, Friday. He's actually flying in, and I'm meeting him at the airport. And he'll be happy once he get his car back, and he's going to be driving it back home, as a matter of fact, so he'll be very happy. I also have another job coming from Texas. I forgot what part of Texas, but he's coming in next week, and he's delivering his car. He's actually driving a vehicle to deliver the car, whatever, a truck with a trailer. And I'll be doing that job, and then he's gonna, I think, transport it back to Texas. So yeah, even though it's cold here in Cincinnati, Ohio, we're in the middle of winter. It's supposed to be snowing tonight. Business doesn't stop, guys. Business doesn't stop. So if you need a coilover conversion done, don't wait till the spring or summer. Get it done now. You know, no better time than right now. So give me a call, area code 513-967-8079. I'm Brandon Green, owner of Gold Element Autoworks. You can go to the website, www.goldelementautoworks.com, and let's get busy. You know what I'm saying? Let's get busy. No better time than right now. You guys take care. Talk to you soon. Stay in touch. More videos coming. Go to my YouTube channel, Gold Element Autoworks at YouTube, and check out my content. Go to Instagram at YBodyCL55. Check it out there. And of course, Facebook. That's always popping. So love you guys. Take care. Thanks for the support. Peace out.